All right, number 48. This involves function notation and how to evaluate them for various values of the input variable, in this case x. All right, let's start when x is -2. F of x equals -2, we would just say f of -2 is equal to -3 times that x value plus 5. So that's equal to 6 plus 5, which is 11. F of -2 is 11. What about when x is 3? Well, f of x is -3x plus 5. So if x is 3, then f of 3 is -3 times that x value plus 5, which is -9. -9 plus 5, which is -4. So f of 3 is equal to -4. Finally, what about when x equals 5? We'll substitute 5 in for x, and this will say f of 5 equals -3 times 5 plus 5. So f of 5 is equal to -15 plus 5, which is -10. F of 5 is -10. And this problem is complete. If you would like another practice problem, just go ahead and continue watching. Let's evaluate f of x equals this function when x is -4. If you're going to try this, then pause the video, then come back and hit play when you're ready to check your work. All right, if x is -4, then we substitute -4 there and there. When you substitute, be sure to use parentheses. And the only thing that goes into parentheses is the x value, -4. The 2 stays on the outside. All right, so -4 gets squared first. That's the order of operations that PEMDAS requires. -4 times -4 is positive 16. We can multiply. 5 times -4 is -20. And now we'll add and subtract. So f of -4 is equal to -3 times 16, which is -48. So -20 and 7. Okay, we had to multiply first. Now we can add and subtract. F of -4 is equal to, from left to right, -68 minus 7. So f of -4 is equal to -75.